At the Foundation School, every day begins with a smile where the adventure of learning starts. We believe in making every day special, a place where curiosity is nurtured and every child is encouraged to explore. With dedicated spaces for play and sports, children develop physically, mentally, and emotionally. From skating to football, every activity is designed to foster growth through fun and engagement. Each age group has its own space, thoughtfully designed to support their development at every stage of their journey. Our Montessori-inspired approach encourages children to think critically, create, and explore at their own pace. We believe that learning should be dynamic and playful, giving children the chance to grow through every adventure and experience. Where learning feels like home and every child's journey begins with a smile. Join us at the Foundation School, where every day is an adventure in learning. The Foundation School, building bright futures, one smile at a time.